You need to hear this if you're a sci-fi fan. Some exoplanets have oxygen-rich atmospheres puzzling scientists. Here on Earth, oxygen mostly comes from plants and microbes. So, how's it appearing on lifeless planets? One theory, exotic chemistry or intense radiation splitting water molecules. Another more exciting idea? Life might actually exist there. These mysterious oxygen levels are making researchers rethink how life evolves elsewhere. Are we seeing signs of alien ecosystems or just nature's tricks at play? Stay curious.